Motorcycle, Sir Steve. She paid the scooter and 2 months. Ka-Beauty and Christina and Ate Pa. Let's go. Kayo. I will pay the scooter 2 months at Ka-Beauty. Look at sarap. Sarap. Lamig. Oh, it's very cold. It's a cold.
Init po sa labas.
She is paid
Sir Steve, she will pay the
scooter.
Yes, Sir Steve, thank you so much. 18 viewers. But is very happy.
The problem is solved.
Yes.
2 months.
2 months. 1 year pa.
Thank you. You pay it, Sir Steve.
Makalimutan ko pa gano'n sa iyo.
Kaya ano ba yung ulit yan?
Parang ngayon.
Sarap. It's very cold here. Sarap.
Alam mo din ako.
Look at Ka-Beauty. She is very beautiful. Sexy. She pay it. Ka-Beauty. Stay. Christina. I want to surprise her. Dati pa. Wow. Nasaan na ngayon Where is the sunglasses? Hindi na pag I'm waiting. Wow! Ayun. Wow! I like wow! It's very beautiful. Wow!
Ito maliit lang, no?
Wow! The black and blue. Black and blue. Yes. But it's very beautiful. Look at that. Video mo daw kami tiging. Pipicturean? It's very beautiful. But I like black. It's very beautiful. She want to buy the clips. The many. Look at this one. Otipa. Clip. Many clips. Oh. Window shopping, everyone. Window shopping. She buy it. Window. Window shopping. Wow. Very beautiful. Like a toy. Many toys. Bread. Ang init. Super duper init. Window shopping.
I miss shopping.
Window shopping. Yan, lagi pala naman. Mahal dyan. Mahal dyan ang laruan.